Did you know that you can use attributes to customize your inspector? With the header attribute, you can basically create sections and name them. If you just want some space between variables, use the space attribute. You can also configure the height of the gap if you want to. Also, what color is this? Use the tooltip attribute to add a description for a field, which you can see if you hover your cursor over the variable in the inspector. If you have a longer text like the description here, you can make the text box bigger by using the text area attribute, where you can also specify the min and max number of lines. If a variable can be lower than a given value, you can use the min attribute. For example, the cost of the item is always non-negative, so at least 0. If you don't just need a minimum but also a maximum value, use the range attribute. This way you get a slider for that variable. Now the player here will be assigned at runtime, so we don't need that in the inspector. To hide it, use the HideInSpector attribute. However, if you want to see a private variable, use the serialized field attribute. And last but not least, if you have a member of type color, you can use the ColorUsage attribute, where you can specify if you need the alpha channel and whether it is an HDR color or not. Now I set it to HDR so I can change the intensity.